Two best friends, same environment, same salary, but completely different lives. In 2011, there were two best friends, Milo and Kylie, living in a small town. They weren't just friends, they were like brother and sister. They grew up at the same narrow street, played basketball at the same dusty field, and shared the same dreams for future. They were repeating, "Someday we will be successful," Milo used to say. "Yes, and we will take care of our family," Kylie would reply. Years passed, and life gave them that chance. Both finished their education and got hired at the same company. Same position, same working hours, and same salary. It felt like the beginning of something big. The first salary, the day they received their first paycheck, was unforgettable. Milo looked at the money and smiled wide. "Finally, we made it." That night, he ordered expensive food, bought branded clothes, and even upgraded his phone. "To celebrate," he said. Kylie also smiled, but quietly. She had remembered one advice from her father: keep three things silent: your happiness, your relationship, and your income. She went home, as always, sat with her notebook and wrote down her expenses: food, rent, and transport. After everything, she had $50 left. She paused for a moment, then wrote savings, $50. It didn't feel like much, but it felt like control. The lifestyle begins. Weeks passed. Milo started enjoying his new life. Every weekend meant going out: restaurants, cafes, shopping malls. His social media looked perfect: photos with friends, expensive meals, smiling faces. People started saying, "Wow, Milo is doing really well." And honestly, he believed it too. On the other side, Kylie's life looked boring. As before, she carried lunch from home. She walked instead of taking taxis. She wore the same clothes again and again. Sometimes even Milo would laugh and say, "Hey Kylie, enjoy a little. Why are you living like this?" She would smile and say, "I'm enjoying, just differently." In the second half of the month, the first problem appeared. Around 20th of the month, Milo's money was gone every single time. At first, it didn't bother him. He would just borrow some small amounts. "Next month, I will manage it better," he told himself. But next month was exactly the same. Spend, enjoy, empty account again and again. Months passed, and they followed their special lifestyles. After a while, Kylie noticed something, not in Milo, but in herself. Her savings reached $300. It wasn't exciting. No one clapped for her, no one even knew. But deep inside, she felt safe. Pressure starts building. One night, while Milo was sitting alone in his room, his phone buzzed with notifications. Friends inviting him out, but his wallet was empty. Again, for the first time, he feels something different: stress. "Why does this keep happening?" he whispered. He was earning, but still struggling. He was angry and felt empty inside. Meanwhile, Kylie was thinking differently. She asked herself, "Is it possible to increase my saving a little?" She searched for opportunities. Then she started to use part of her savings to try something new. She bought a few small products online and resold them. At first, she made only $10 profit, then $20. sometimes nothing. Sometimes she even lost money, but she didn't stop because she wasn't chasing fast success, she was building a habit. Kylie was still simple, but more confident, more calm, more focused. Two different worlds. Years passed. Milo's life looked exciting from outside, but inside it was exhausting. Bills, debit, pressure. He was always waiting for salary day, and when it came, it disappeared again. Kylie's life looked quiet but powerful. Her small side hustle grew slowly. She learned new skills, made better decisions, avoided unnecessary expenses, and most importantly, she stayed consistent. One evening, after work, they met and sat together like old times. No phones, no noise, just silence. Milo finally said, "Hey Kylie, I'm over. It is not what I expected. I am really over. My salary is not enough, and I really have no other option. You agree, don't you?" Kylie looked at him and smiled. Not proudly, not arrogantly, just honestly. "Now that you asked, let me tell you a secret. Years ago, my father had given me an advice. Keep three things in silence: happiness, relationship, and income. This was the thing that I had in my mind all the time. And when we started getting salary, I made one simple decision. I didn't try to look rich. I focused on becoming stable first. You can do as well. It is not late." This is the truth most people ignore. It wasn't about luck, it wasn't about talent, it wasn't even about income. It was about habits, small choices, repeated every single month. Milo spent money to feel happy, Kylie managed money to build freedom. Milo chased appearance, Kylie built reality. So, two best friends, same income, same starting point, but completely different lives. Your future is not decided by how much you earn, it is decided by how you use what you earn. To build your mindset for success, subscribe.